Hello friends, this model is to demonstrate and to show the effect of temperature on batteries. To demonstrate this model, we have used three different types of batteries. The first one zinc chloride battery, the second one is alkaline battery, and the third one is lithium battery, which is packed inside this power bank. We have used a multimeter that is connected in voltmeter mode. This detects and indicates the voltage presence in these batteries. To detect whether power is present inside these batteries or not, we have used a motor which rotates the fan blades. This motor is connected with a switch that is used to switch on and off the motor. Now we have taken two similar sets. This is set A and this is set B. Set A is maintained at room temperature and set B is maintained at cold temperature. To maintain at cold temperature, we have used ice cubes in this tray. To detect the temperature of this cold region, we have used a thermometer, digital thermometer. This cold region is maintained so that we can see the difference of the room temperature region and the cold temperature region. Now let's start the experiment. Firstly, we are using zinc chloride battery in set A. Switch on the zinc chloride battery in set A and see the voltage. It is 3.1 volt. In set B, zinc chloride batteries, voltage is 2.95 volt. Set A it is 3.9 and set B it is 2.95. This is the voltage for set A. This is the voltage for set B. Now switch off the zinc chloride batteries. Now let's see alkaline batteries. Switch on alkaline batteries. Now we have switched on alkaline batteries in set A and in set B. Now switch off the alkaline batteries. Now we will test using lithium batteries. In set A, switch on the battery, the voltage of it is 5 volt. Now in set B, the voltage of it is 5 volt. Now let's see that voltage after some time. Now we have used ice cubes and this thermometer indicates the temperature of this region. Now we will check the temperature and voltage after some time. You can see the difference. Current temperature in set B is 0.5 degree and you can see the voltage of it is 3.54. Here we can see the voltage reduction by 1.45 volt. And in set A the voltage is 5. Still it remains 5. This is maintained at normal room temperature. This is maintained at cold room temperature. Cold temperature at 0.8 degrees centigrade. So what we can finalize is in cold temperature, and here the voltage reduces by 20%, 20 to 25%. Generally lithium batteries, they work better at 20 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade. And once the temperature decreases, here we can see the decrease in temperature, so the voltage decreases. So in normal temperature, the voltage remains same, and in cold temperature the voltage reduces by 20%. In lithium batteries, what we can decide is it works better at 20 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade, and the voltage reduces as the temperature goes low. And if the temperature goes high, above 60 degree, there is a chance of explosion. So better to use between 20 to 40 degree. Lithium polymer batteries works better with 20 degree to 40 degree. So here we can decide that lithium batteries work better in 20 to 40 degree, and the output is around 95% we will get the output. And as the temperature reduces, the capability of the battery reduces by 20 to 30%, and we will get only 70% of the power. And as the temperature increases, there is a chance of battery getting spoiled or battery may explode at high temperature. So with this we can decide that lithium polymer batteries works better at 20 degree to 40 degree centigrade. So if you are using any lithium battery, use between 20 degree to 40 degree so that you will get a maximum output. Thank you.